Adam Savage here in my cave with an announcement of sorts. I got to join the production of Ghostbusters Afterlife and really embed and watch them filming it. It was amazing.
It's real, and I'm on the set of the new Ghostbusters film.
I cannot wait until you see what we covered about the scope of this production, and I promise you that Ghostbusters Afterlife is coming soon. But to tide you over, we have here a few teasers of some of the things we saw on set.
Well, the idea was, let's buy that barn, bring it, and make it part of our set.
Who do you call to move a building?
If the camera sees a reflection, we can angle it ever so slightly.
So you can...
Oh, that's so cool.
McKenna Grace, I want to introduce you to someone very special.
Okay.
This is Adam Savage. He is one of the smartest people we know and knows so much about science and movies and all the things that we love. And I believe he's brought something really special for us today.
Okay.
I think we're good.
Come on.
This was a film production populated entirely by Ghostbusters fanatics, and I got to geek out with every last one of them, from production design to art department to practical effects to props to graphic design.
So we sent a drone up in the art department and we captured the whole thing in 3D, and we tried putting it in different locations on the property.
Scene 23, take 3, Mark.
They use these big crane cameras, and some of them are really far away, so they need a really big slate. Can I sit in it?
So let's just take this away from the motherboard.
Oh, look at that. I love it so much.
Yes.
This is the Hero Props trailer where my friend Ben Eady manages, fixes, adjusts, and brings to set all of the Hero Ghostbusters props.
It's an amazing script. It's a beautiful story. It is a fantastic continuation of this franchise. Nothing could make me happier.